the quiet moments before the world wakes, the sun rises. He paints the sky with new beginnings. A reminder that today is a gift waiting to be explored. As the light grows, so do we, every step pushing beyond what we thought possible. Growth happens outside the comfort zone. The ocean calls. Each wave invites us to dive deeper, to go further, to embrace the unknown. As the night falls, in silence we find strength. In the dark, we discover ourselves. Every step forward brings you closer to who you are meant to be. Explore the world, elevate your soul, and embrace the journey.